Hello everyone, this is Mohammed from Ridz Creations, and today we will talk about a Flutter checkbox. So guys, this is a default project I already created. Now I will set the scaffold body, scaffold body here, and then set the center here. The center contain a child, and that child will set a checkbox. And this I will set the value. So we need to create a variable like boolean is checked or not. The default value is false, so I will set the value checked here, and I need to set this on change value like a value, and we'll set this value. So here I need to set a state here. So is checked goes to value. Actually, this is null value. This may be null, so I need to set it not null here. So as I click on the tab, it's working fine. So guys, we can also change the background color of this checkbox. So for this, we need to fill color, and that fill color we need to use like this. We will copy these sections from here and then paste it here. So we will refresh this. You will see the color. As I click, it's working fine. So we can set the color like red, so it will work fine. So this is a checkbox of Flutter. So guys, stay with my channel and follow, subscribe my channel for more tips and trick. Bye.